What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As a lot of you know, recently we have moved, right? So gotta get the garage space right. So what I'm doing, I'm getting rid of this Harbor Freight tool bench and I'm putting in this Husky one. I saw this thing at Home Depot for like, it's $4.98, but it had a little dent in it. Plus I got military discount and this thing was $4.08 after that. So pretty stoked on that. Getting rid of this thing, gonna have a lot more usage with this. It's gonna look a lot better and a lot more aesthetic. Also, got a new functional trainer in the garage here. It's a Rit Fit Buffalo. Man, it's got a Smith machine. I got attachments that go on the front. It's pretty awesome. Got my flags up, pack out over there. You know, just making this space more functional, right? Just a place you want to be in. Who doesn't love being in the garage? Probably put a TV up here, mini split, all that good stuff. But what I wanted to talk to you, hold on. Oh my gosh. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about today was I got the random YouTube comment picker. So this is gonna be for the winner of the Camel City Mill care package. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to generate the winners. I'm gonna exclude Curtis and Adrian probably because, you know, HVAC nights. If y'all don't watch, Thursday nights, tune in live. It's a podcast where we just shoot the shit. We had Ty Brenneman on last week. Awesome. We just go there, have a good time. Kurt drops the F-bomb. Kurt drops a couple F-bombs here and there, so you guys might enjoy that. Something also I wanted to talk about, in the end of that video, I uploaded the way I wired aftermarket motors. Now when I was uploading that video, I didn't realize I put the wrong clip in there. I'm gonna overlay the right clip. The problem is, the reason I didn't upload that one, and I didn't realize it when I uploaded it, was that the audio was gone. So I used DJI Mic 2, and it's got the backup mic setting, but for whatever reason it didn't record internally and it didn't record in my Pocket 3. So I got the clip. I'm going to overlay it to how you properly wire it, but you can wire it the same way, just where the black on that one pole contactor, you don't want to put it on the bottom because it's going to have constant voltage across it. You just put it on top. That's it. So to everybody that was out there just letting me know, I appreciate it. At first I didn't realize I did that, but everybody was very warming, and there was a couple douchebags in there, and to you guys, eat a bag of so it is what it is. So with that being said, let's get started with this winner. And I put the keyword in there that it's just gonna be socks or whatever. I'm gonna comment back on this last one. I already commented to you. I'm gonna comment back on the previous video, so go back and watch it. That way you know, or go back, you know what I'm trying to say. Holy shit. All right, and the winner is M Dunbar. He got 2 hearts there. Socks is just a one-worder. M Dunbar, I'm commenting to you. Answer back, or you can comment on this video as well. Also, today's video, I'm just replacing a UV fresh air Bluetooth bulb. And this one, I'm just replacing a fresh air UV Bluetooth by Diversitech. The lady had bought it on Amazon, had her electrician put it in. It stopped working. She had another company out there that was just trying to sell her a new unit and shit. So I just went out there. She had actually contacted Diversitech, and they just replaced the whole thing for her, no charge. Shout out Diversitech, okay? So that's all this is. I'm up in the attic replacing a bulb, and I did do a maintenance on the system as well. But with that being said, no. That's all it is, man. So let's get that video started, and I'll catch y'all later.
There's a light up there too.
Awesome. Thank you, thank you. Well, that's no good. It's dead. Nothing. Okay. So she's dead. So what I'm going to be installing for the customer here is actually just a replacement of this Fresh Aire UV blue tube here. Brought to you by your boys at Diversitech. So we're going to go ahead, take all this out. Quite simply, that's all she wrote, and it's just running off of there. I'm gonna double check. I think she said there was an electrician that installed it. I'm gonna put it, I would like to put it right in the apex is what I actually might end up doing. So I'm gonna go get a unib. Here's the problem. I gotta cut this. There's no float switch here. There's no flow switch in here. So a few things wrong here, but I'm gonna pop this door off and I'm gonna put it right in the coil. Yeah. Boom. All right. So I'm actually just gonna drill right here and put this bulb right in there. So I gotta go get my hammer drill, and we'll get the hammer drill and a unibit. But you know what? It's hot as shit in that attic, and as it is, hot as hell in this garage. But you know what's not hot? My feet, because of my Camel City Mill socks. Y'all already know Camel City makes the best socks in the world. Made right here in America, in North Carolina, with Ironside Dan Merino wool. Shout out to Dan Merino for making the best wool, right? Make sure to follow the wash instructions. That's right, I said wash. It'll give it that brand new feel every time you slip your foot in there like Cinderella. But I want to thank Camel City for being a sponsor to this channel and a sponsor of today's video. Y'all already know, click the link down below, use code Kraus, save yourself some money, and let's get on with the video. Drill acquired. I'm gonna go right in the middle here. Watch out for that TXV. Hopefully that, shit. Man. Don't fucking. That should be good enough. That should be beautiful. There we go. Throw in a couple of these self-tappers and that'll hold it right on in there. Not with the left. Locked in. I'm gonna kind of route it up inside there. Alright. I will take one side from the fan, and one side from our collar. All right, that's a wrap. I appreciate everybody that watched the video. If you could, smash the like button, consider subscribing, click the links down below. To all my subscribers, y'all already know, man, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later.